In this video, we want to find the surface integral of a vector field where f is 6xyi plus x squared j plus 6yzk, and s is a surface z equals x e to the y, x between 0 and 1, and y is between 0 and 1. The first thing we want to do is parameterize the surface. So we can have r of xy be x by z, but replace z with x e to the y. And so x varies between 0 and 1, and y between 0 and 1. The next step is to find the normal vector. So let's take the partial of r with respect to x and y. When we take the partial with respect to x, we get 1, 0 e to the y, and with respect to y, we get 0, 1 x e to the y. So now we find the cross product and end up with negative e to the y, comma, negative x e to the y, comma 1. Now notice that k is positive here. So k is a 1, it's positive, so that means it has an upward orientation. So this will be ds. Now, on the surface, z equals x e to the y, we can replace z with x e to the y, since we're looking on the surface. So that turns into 6xy, comma, x squared, comma, 6xy e to the y. Now we can compute the dot product. So we have f dot r, the partial of r with respect to x cross r with respect to y. And simplifying, we end up with negative x cubed e to the y. So this is going to go inside the integral. Now recall that x and y was between 0 and 1. So we're going to choose to integrate first with respect to x. And we have negative x cubed. E to the y is going to be a constant which can be pulled outside. And so integrating x cubed, we get x to the 4th over 4. Plug in 1 to get 1/4. Plug in 0, we get 0. So that inside simplifies to just negative e to the y over 4. Now we need to take this negative e to the y over 4 and integrate it with respect to y from 0 to 1. So that's the outside integral. E to the y is just e to the y, and then multiply by negative 1/4, evaluate it from 0 to 1, and end up with negative e minus 1 all over 4 as our final answer.